Make a great choice today with the 2021 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.